Hi there, and welcome to my page. When I'm not working as an economist or a data analyst, I like to tutor. And I've been tutoring on and off for about a decade now. I first started in mathematics, teaching things like calculus, algebra, and like university entrance exam stuff like SAT and ACT stuff. But I've since I've been ever since I got my bachelor's degree in economics and I have a master's degree in economics, I probably have the most expertise in economics. So whether you're in high school just trying to understand, basic algebra, or you're a university student struggling through intermediate macro, or you're even working to become a professional and want someone to teach you how to clean a data set in Excel, do a macro, do a regression analysis, whatever you need, I'm here for it. I'm Peter, and I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you get a lesson from me. Bye.